Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be digging into the winter Curateur box today. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt is this white fuzzy bum behind me. We're so happy you're here. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So Curateur is a lifestyle subscription box for women. It's considered like a luxe box. So it is seasonal, $125 a season. If you decide to pay for the entire year at once, then that drops the price down to $450 and you get a $50 savings annually. It is by Rachel Zoe. If you remember, it used to be the Rachel Zoe's Box of Style. Now it's Curateur, and she has a whole shopping experience with this subscription box being part of it. All right, so there's always customizations with these boxes, so I enjoy. She'll give you choices, and there's always so much good stuff in here. So here's what I see when I open my box. And there's always a little pamphlet here that's going to tell me all about the items that are inside this collection. I have to say, she almost always includes beauty items. She almost always includes jewelry. She almost always has something you can wear in it or some sort of a bag. So she sticks to kind of that formula. So it says, what's inside our winter curation? No matter if you're staying in or stepping out, every move this holiday season will feel a little more magical with the help of our expertly edited winter curation, complete with cozy yet luxurious items for your wardrobe, your beauty routine, and your home. It's exactly what you need to sparkle and shine. All right, let's dig in. First up, we have the Lumiere Concentrate Cream. This is a multitasking moisturizer, protects your barrier and plumps with peptides while evening your skin tone. Vitamin C, all packed into a luxurious, velvety, and comforting formula. The retail value is $82. I have to say, I do enjoy trying super expensive beauty products I would probably never buy on my own. So this is a full ounce, or a full size at 1.58 ounce. All right, so I had another option for this first one, and I could have choose the Lumiere Vital C Serum. So you can see that first item, it was a choice item. I chose the top one. So the bottom one is reveal your most radiant and refined winter skin with this potent serum made with a stabilized vitamin C derivative, as well as hyaluronic acid and vitamin E and B5. So that one retailed for $84. So you got to pick one of those. All right, the next one is also a choice item. So this set is a choice item of the short and sweet chunky gem choker and hoop set. So you got to choose between two different colors. You could choose the black or the crystal there, or diamond, whatever we're calling that. What are they calling it? It's, clear crystal. I was right for it first time. Or the 4-stone black. It says, elevate all your holiday party looks as well as your everyday staples with this elegant matching set that includes a collarbone accentuating chain necklace and earlobe hugging hoops, both in 14 karat gold plated brass, and the retail is $115. Now you do have the option, if you wanted to get both, you would just pay extra. It's not that full price retail amount, it would be a lesser amount. I chose the crystal. I like that it comes in this nice little leather pouch. It's by Short and Sweet is the name of the brand. Let's check out these earrings first. These are pretty. So here's what they look like. Those are cute. They do have like the little stone. Hopefully you guys can see that stone there. Yeah, that's pretty. All right, and then for the necklace, I thought the black was super pretty too, but I thought this one might go with more. This is really pretty. Check that out. And it's a nice thick chain. Super pretty. If you decide after the fact that you want to try getting one of the others, you can. You can go on their site, and typically you can find them to purchase. How pretty is that? Yeah, I really like that. Super pretty. And here's the earrings. Those are fun. Yeah, I like this. All right, next item was another choice item. And this is the Walter Baker Barushka Poncho. It came in 2 different colors. It came in this tan that I chose or the gray. And it is retailed for $198. It says winter layering is simple and chic with this reversible poncho that can be worn so many ways. Drape it over your seasonal favorites or cinch it with a belt for a more defined silhouette. All right, let's check this out. I like that it's reversible. I always love a multi-use item. It's packaged so pretty. It's very soft. It's very, very soft. Okay, so here, oh, so it's just the reverse. So here it's like tan with the cream trim, and then on the inside it's cream with the tan trim. So that is super cute. And I assume the gray would be the same. I like stuff like this because it's so warm and cozy, and then just makes you feel like you are wearing a blanket. Yes, I think, oh, yeah, I got it. Okay. This is cute. And then you can see the inside. Has the fringe. This is easy and nice to pack. I've actually taken, she's given these wraps away before. I have one that she did half black, half white, and I travel with it a lot. It's great on a plane when you really need a blanket. So this would be the same. Super cute. All right, so now interestingly enough, I do not have the 4th item, which is a Posh Powder Palette Perfect Blush Brush Set. So here's what it looks like. And I think they forgot mine, which I have been doing Curateur for, I don't know, has to be 5-6 years. I think that has only happened to me like one other time where they forgot something in my box. So pretty simple. I'll just contact them and ask them to send it. But it is retailed for $92. It's by Duche. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I may not be. So here's the brand. And it says, achieve a flawless full face glow with this dynamic duo that includes a palette comprised of 3 brushes and 3 highlighters, plus fluffy vegan brush that's specifically shaped to hug your cheeks for a foolproof application. And I will say with all of these brands that she shares, she also shares a discount code that you can use. So if you wanted to purchase anything else directly from their site, that you could. So I love that. All right, so we're going to get to the 5th and final item, which there are like 5 items in here with this being considered one item. It's a set. And it's a candle. It's by 4 Truffles. It's the La Maison candle. Retails for $59.95. It's very heavy. It says, named after the French word for home, so I'm sure I said it wrong. This Curateur exclusive scent will help you create the coziest living space. The welcoming combination of florals, fig, and amber musk combined with the glamorous gold glass vessel make this candle a must-have for holiday hostings. Gold glass. All right, let's check this out. And then we'll wrap. What did you guys think so far? Oh, it does smell good. Oh, yeah. So here's what the outside looks like. Very pretty. Smells amazing. Wish I could send that through to you through Smell-O-Vision. Smells very good. And it's very heavy. How big is this? Does it tell me? I don't think it does. Yeah, it doesn't say the size of it, but it feels quite good. All right. That's a wrap on all of the pieces this time. Sorry I didn't have one of them to share with you. I will get in contact with Curateur immediately and get them to send that to me, and maybe I can share it with you in a outfit of the day video. How about that? We'll circle back. I'll let you know how that works out. All right, so we have this fun candle, very nice smelling candle to warm up your home and bring that homey scent. And then the necklace set, the necklace and the earring set. Love these. This fun little wrap, perfect for travel. And then my beauty cream. This is the Lumiere Concentrate Cream Radiance Restorative Moisturizer, and they even gave me a little scooper for it. So I think I am set. What'd you think? I will list all the information for Curateur down below. I love their seasonal boxes. Let me know what you thought. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.